I'm now going to walk you through the football assignment. So I'm going to open up Notepad here. Here we have Notepad, and I don't really want to take the time to copy all of the code. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't give you the code for the football assignment, I'm going to go back to the web design page and assignments, and I'm going to go to assignment 4 here, which actually does have code. You can copy code from any of our old assignments, or just take your code that you have, simply copy it, jump into Notepad, and you can paste it. Now I'm going to save it as football.html. You're going to want to save it in your web design folder. Now if I go ahead and open this up, football, right here, and I open it with, let's say, Chrome, you can see that it looks like assignment 4. It doesn't look like the football assignment, but we can change it. So I'm going to come over here, go back to the football assignment so I can see what it looks like, and I see that I need big words in white that say football, and then it says, let's see, football is the sport of champions. So let's go ahead and type that into our code. Now the title here says extreme color. We should change that to say football. Then we come down here where it says extreme color. This should say football. And then here we can put football is the sport of champions. Anything similar is just fine. Now file and save. Come back here and I hit refresh. So now you can see it says football. Football is the sport of champions, which is a lot like the other one, but doesn't look quite right yet. So I'm going to come over here, and after the champions thing, I'm going to go ahead and erase all of this except for the body and HTML tags, which I will still need. I can then change this face Heischneider by opening Microsoft Word. I can choose any font that I have here. So maybe I want to make it, let's go Bernard MT condensed. Right click, copy this, and I'm just going to right click over this highlighted word and paste it, and it will put it right in its place. I'm also going to make the font a little bigger. So we have font, color, face. Let's add size here. I'm going to make the size 5. Let's go file and save, and let's see how that looks over here. Fresh. There we go. Football, nice and big. Got rid of this other stuff, and football is a sport of champions. Well, I can change this, make this a little bit bigger. It looks kind of small. So why don't I come here, font, color, face. Oh, this is chiller. It's probably not very good for what I want. So let's go back to Microsoft Word. I'm going to go ahead and choose agency. Here we go. Copy. I'm going to come to my Notepad and paste over the top of it, agency. I'm going to make the size bigger. Size equals, let's make this 5 too. Notice this football, however, is surrounded by a header 1 tag. So it's going to probably be bold and look slightly different. I'm going to save this, come back here. Actually, I want to minimize this, Chrome, and refresh. There, football is the sport of champions. Hey, that's looking pretty good. Now all I need to really make it look like what it's supposed to is put these pictures in it. I can change the color to white or gray if I want. Why don't we change this to gray real quick so you can see how to do that. Right here we have color white for the big football at the top, and here we have color as this. It's kind of a bluish color. I'm going to make it A. If you type in 6 of anything that's the same, it's going to be a gray color. So we're here and refresh. It's kind of bluish. Actually, this is gray. Background's blue. And yeah, so the next one's going to show you how to change the background and put in the pictures. Good luck.